What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be replacing our fuel hose to a higher grade or higher safety rating called 30R9, which is a requirement for most tracks for you to drift or do whatever on. So let's get started. This is going to be a really quick video. Fuel hose on an S13 or fuel line on an S13. Super quick and super easy, and it's in the engine bay and it's very accessible, unlike that piece of shit. First, pop the hood. Open the hood. Now, take your fuel line, throw it at that. Close the hood. No, I'm just kidding. Here is our 30R9 fuel hose. This is $15 on Amazon. I used a gift card to get it. That's how cheap it was. At most tracks, what they're going to pester you about is this right here. Also, maybe the return line, but also very easily accessible. It just goes from there to there. The rest of the fuel line, they don't really check because the engine bay is the hottest part, I feel like, of the motor. Maybe that's why they're doing it. I don't know, but it specifies whatever is in the engine bay. So that includes the feed and the return. Again, this is just some really cheap hose that I got off Amazon. I'm not sure if the return line has to be thing. If it is, we might be in trouble because I only ordered like a certain amount of this. Now, my car right now obviously doesn't have a lot of fuel in it because my tank is always empty. But what you're going to want to do anyway, in case your tank isn't that empty, is remove the fuel pump fuse, which is there. Now, I'm not a professional by any means, as you guys know if you've seen our other videos. And if you haven't, click that subscribe button and check out the rest of our videos, which is pretty cool. Where the hell is it again? Oh, it's right here. Right there. Yes. Tick, 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 tick. Put that to the side, yeah? Now you're going to want to try to turn it on. Now the hardest part about this install is I'm going to have to find my keys. Here they are. Here we go. No fuel pump priming. No. Alright, that was it. That little like that was the car turning on and burning the last of the fuel. Okay. Now we go here. Pressure. Sick. Okay, now we go here and we take our handy dandy screwdriver, which is obviously a piece of crap. Undo this one. Now, an important thing about these clamps is you need these clamps when you're using fuel line. You can't fucking replace this with you cannot replace it with a worm clamp. They will fail you at tech and they will send you home. Nobody likes that. They don't like that. It wastes their time. It wastes your time. It wastes your money. Just get these fucking clamps. They're like $1. So what we're gonna do now is take this off. I don't know if anything's gonna squirt on me, but if it does, so be it. The shitty part is I already bought 30R9 for my last car, but I don't remember exactly what I did with the hose. It might still be in the car, it might not. I highly doubt that it's still in the car because I took everything out of it when I sold it to my friend. But like, I don't even know how that kind of stuff disappears, but I'm literally the worst with that. Ask anybody. Hopefully this lighting's good. It's probably not, but just gonna want to compare the two hoses. One, check that your diameters are the same so that you can put it back on. Second, just kind of mock it up here like this. I just take some dikes and I literally just cut it. Whew, muscles glasses. Nope, not enough muscles, too much glasses. Now, all that's left is to put this back on. Tighten it. Right on there. All right, nice and tidy. I like when things have perfect length like that. It's very satisfying. I probably did so many things wrong in this video and people are gonna comment about it, but who cares, because I am just some dude in my driveway that likes to drive. Okay, closing this up. All that's left to do is replace your fuel pump fuse. Ka-chow, boom. Cover. In case you are wondering, for those who say that my car is really mint, it's not. Replace your gas cap. And my keys even in here? Yep. We're gonna prime it a couple times. Let it build pressure because we literally just like emptied it. All right. Now we're going to check. Nice. Now you're gonna want to check for leaks, because fuel is not something you're gonna want to leak. You're going to want to repeat that process for the rest of the hoses in the engine bay. Link in the description for the fuel line I used, I guess. Check out our Instagram at BM Speedstars. And again, thanks for watching. Peace.